Well, right now we want to tell you about what our Attorney General calls one of the biggest public health lawsuits in the state's history. Today, a judge heard opening arguments in the trial of the nation's largest opioid distributors. King 5's Steve Solis reports.
On trial are Cardinal Health, McKesson, and AmerisourceBergen. These are the same companies that proposed a $527 million settlement back in July, which the state rejected.
State Attorney General Bob Ferguson says these three companies fulfilled hundreds of thousands of suspicious orders for drugs that likely ended up on the streets. Today, during opening arguments, Ferguson explained how Cardinal Health, McKesson, and AmerisourceBergen have a legal obligation to not fulfill orders that have the potential of ending up in the wrong hands.
Your Honor, the evidence at trial will show that the facts, the law, and the equities require that these defendants be held accountable for their conduct by meaningfully addressing the terrible, tragic crisis that they fueled.
Ferguson says over an 8-year period, more than 2 billion opioid pills were sent to Washington state. Today, the state gave examples of where over-ordering allegedly took place, including at pharmacies in Hoquiam and Grace Harbor. However, attorneys for the three companies say they are not to blame.
There are reasons for the opioid epidemic, which are obvious, and we will hear them in this trial. But they have nothing to do with the defendants, with the distributors. And the plaintiffs know this. They have pointed the blame in different directions at different times, depending on their audience. And the way they've shifted blame, depending on the circumstances, is telling.
The state of Washington wants these companies to pay for the state's abatement plan, which comes at a price tag of $38 billion. This trial is expected to last for the next few months. In Seattle tonight, Steve Solis, King 5 News.